Hi everyone. In this paper, I am going to solve Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 1 Non-Calculator Core in the session May-June 2025 Paper 13. So let's start with the question number 1. So here is the question number 1. First, question number 1, part A. Write the numbers 70, 0, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 0 in words. So we have to write it in words. So first we have ones, then 10, then 100, then 1000, then 10,000, then 100,000, then million, and then 10 million. So the answer is 70 million because we have to write it in a words. So in words we have 70 million. Part B, write down the value of 5 in the number 0.25. Give your answer as a fraction. We have to write 5 in the number 0.25, as we can write it as 0.25. So 5 is in the decimal place, we can write it as 0.05. We have to give the answer in fraction. We solve it further. If we cut the point, then it will give me 1. After point we have 2 digits, so we can write 2 zeros. So after simplify, we have 5 divided by 100. We can cut it as 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are 100. The answer is 1 divided by 20. Next we have find the value of the reciprocal of 0.25. So 0.25 is basically equals to 1 divided by 4. We can write the reciprocal 1 divided by 4 is 4 divided by 1. So the answer is 4. Next, question number 2, part A. Write down the mathematical name of an angle between 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay. When the angle is between 90 degree and 180 degree, it is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Part B, write down the mathematical term that describes two polygons that are the same shape and size. When two polygons that are same shape and size are congruent. When two polygons are congruent, it means they have the same shape and size. So the answer is congruent. Question number 3. We have question number 3. Write down under root 169. So we have to simplify it. We can write it as 1 under root 169, that is equals to 13. 13s are 169. We can write it as 13 ka square. Square will cut with this square root, so we have 13. So the answer is 13. Next we have part B. Work out the value of 2 power 4. We have to write 2 4 times, that is 2 cross 2 cross 2 cross 2. Now we can multiply them. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. The answer is 16. Part C, work out the value of 10 raised to power minus 2. As you can see, 10 raised to power minus 2, the power is in negative, so we can write it as 1 divided by 10 to power 2. If I it will become positive if I take it in a division. So we can write it as 1 divided by 10 because it's a square, so we can write 10 cross 10. So 1 divided by 10, 10s are 100. So the answer is 100. Part D, work out minus 18 divided by minus 4. So we can write it as minus 18 divided by minus 4. Negative sign will cut with negative sign. We have 18 divided by 4. We can cut it as 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. So the answer is 9 divided by 2. Part E. Work out 1.6 and 0.02. Firstly, we will multiply 16 with 2, that is 16 twos are, that is equals to 32. As you can see in the question, here is one decimal place, there is two decimal place. So total we have three decimal places. We can write 32 it as 0.032. So the answer is 0.032. Question number 4. The diagram shows a quadrilateral with sides of equal length. Quadrilateral with sides of equal length. What is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is basically a shape having four sides, okay, with equal length. Part A. Write down the mathematical name for this quadrilateral. Write the mathematical name for this quadrilateral. When the shape has all the four sides are equal, so the shape is square or rhombus. Because you can see it is not a square, it is a rhombus because it has the same length but angle are not 90 degree. So it is a rhombus. The answer is rhombus. Sorry. So the answer is rhombus. It's not a square, it's a rhombus. Next, part B, work out the value of A. Work out the value of A. As we know, the opposite angle in rhombus is same, so I can write it as the opposite angle in rhombus is same. So this is A, this is also A. If this is 2A, this is also 2A. Okay. So the sum of all angle in quadrilateral is 360 degree. So the all angle is 360 degree. So all angle will be A plus 2A plus A plus 2A, that is equals to 360. That is equals to 360. Now we can add them. A plus 2A plus A plus 2A, that is equals to 6A is equals to 360. This 6 will divide with 360. A is equals to 360 divided by 6. 6 are 36 and 0. So the answer is 60. Next, question number 5, part A. Find the next term in each sequence. Find the next term in each sequence. Let me figure out. If I add plus 4, it will become 5. Then if I add plus 5, then 5 plus 5, that is equals to 10. If I add plus 6, then 10 plus 6, that is equals to 16. If I add 16 plus 7, that is equals to 23. So the next number will be, if I add plus 8, then 23 plus 8, that is equals to 28, 29, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. So the answer is 31. Next, part B, 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. If I multiply 1 with 2, it will become 2. 1 2s are 2. It will become, if I multiply 2 with 2, that is equals to 4. If I multiply 4 with 2, that is 8. If I multiply 8 with 2, that is 16. And same as if I multiply 16 with 2, that is equals to 32. So the answer is 32. Question number 6. These are the length of time in minutes of 7 phone calls. These are the length of time in minutes of 7 phone calls. So part A, find the median. We have to find the median. Firstly, for finding the median, we write it in ascending order. Firstly, we write the numbers in ascending order. So we start with the lowest one. Lowest one is 5, then 7, then 8, then 10, then 22, then 35, and last is 75. Median is basically the middle value. So first 3 and the last 3 and the middle one is 10. So the answer is 10. The median is 10. Median is basically the middle value. So you can see that 3 values on the left side and 3 values are on the right side. So the middle value is 10. So the answer is 10. Now part A, to find the range. We have to find the range. Range is basically the difference between the higher value to lower value. Difference of higher value of lower value. What is the higher value? The higher value is 75 minus lower value is 5. So 75 minus 5 is 70. So the answer is 70. Part B, question number 6, part number B. The longest phone call is 75 minutes. Write 75 minutes in hours. We have to write 75 minutes in hours. Firstly, we break 75. So 60 minutes, that is equals to 1 hour, plus 15 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, that is equals to 75 minutes. 60 minutes is basically equals to 1 hour. Okay, plus 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. 75 is basically 1 hour 15 minutes. But we have to write the answer in hours, so we have to convert 15 minutes in hour. As you can see, this is the clock. This is from here to here. This is 15, then 30, then 45, and last is 60. Okay, 15, then 15, then 15, then 15. So the first one is, it will become 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, and 1 divided by 4. So we have 1 and 1 by 4 or. So the answer is 1 and 1 by 4 or. Next, question number 7. 70 students study one of French, Spanish and German. The ratio number who study French, ratio number who study Spanish, that is equals to 3:7. 15 students study French. How many students study French? 15 students study French. So we can write number of students who study French, or that is equals to 3, and 15 students study French. So we have to find the number of students who study German. So number who study French, that is 3, that is equals to 15 students study French, that is 15. I can write it as 1 cross 3, that is equals to 15. Okay, if the 3 is multiplied with 1, we can now 3 can be divided with 15. 1 equals to 15 divided by 3. The 3 ones are 3 and 3 5s are 15. 1 is basically 1 is equals to 5. So the number who studies Spanish, that is equals to 7. We can write 7 is a 1 cross 7. 1, that is equals to 5. 5 cross 7. 7 5s is 35. We have to find this number of students who study German. For this, we have total number of students, that is 70. So French plus Spanish plus German, that is equals to 70. French students are 5 plus Spanish students are 35 plus Germans are we have to find the value of German is equals to 70. Now we have 5 plus 35, that is equals to 40, plus German equals to 70. We have to find the value of German. So German is equals to 70 minus 40 and J is equals to 70 minus 40. 30. So 30 students are German. Sorry, I did a mistake. We have French students. 15 students study French. So here we can write 15, not 5. So 15 plus 35, that is equals to 50, plus German, that is equal to 70. So German 70 minus 50 and German is 20. Okay, sorry once again. Next, question number 8. The diagram shows two faces of a net of a cuboid on a 1 centimeter square grid. Okay. Part A, complete the statement. The dimension of the cuboids are dash centimeter by dash centimeter by dash centimeter. The diagram shows the two faces of a net of a cuboid on a 1 centimeter square grid. The faces are drawn. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, that is basically 3 cross 3, and that is 1 2 3 4 5, that is 5 cross 3. So part A is the dimension of a cuboid are 3 centimeter by 3 centimeter and dash centimeter. So 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Part B, on a grid. This is the grid. We have to complete the net of a cuboid. First, I draw a cuboid. This is the cuboid. Okay. This is the cuboid. This is the width, that is 5. This is the length of the cuboid, that is 3, and this is also a 3. So the base is basically a 5 and 3. So we complete the cuboid. For this we have, this is 3, so we can 1 2 3, we can take it as 3, and the base is 5, so 1 2 3 4 5, we can write it as s. So as you can see, the left hand side is 3 cross 3, so right hand side will also become 3 cross 3, 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. Same as this is the front side and this is the back side. The back side would be also be 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and the upward side is also 3 5. Now I can join them. Now you can see 5. This is 5 and 3. We can also join them same as we did. This is her upward side. Now we can join its right side. And also we can join its back side. Okay, so the base is, oh sorry, this is 5 and 3, 5 cross 3. This is 5, this is 3, this is 5, this is 3 and 3, this is 3, same as we have above. So the base is, this is the base, this is the base, this is the base. So the base is 5 and 3, the left and the right sides is 3 cross 3. This is the base we have to close, this is the base we have to close the left and the right side. This is the front side, this is the back side, that is 5 and 3, and the top side is also 5. This is the top side is also 5 and 3. So this is the base we have to fold the left side. This is the base we have to fold the left side, then right side. This is the front side, this is the back side, and this is also the top side. So this would be a cuboid. Now work out the volume of a cuboid. So the volume of a cuboid is equals to length multiply width multiply height. So the length is, as you can see, so the length is 3, length is 3, width is also 3, but the height is, we have 3 cross 3 cross, the height is 5. So the answer is 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45 centimeter square. Question number 9. The diagram shows the net of a square base pyramid. The net of a square base pyramid, as you can see, this is the square. The perpendicular height of each triangle is 4 centimeter. 1 2 3 4, we have 4 triangles, and each triangle have perpendicular height, that is 4 centimeter, and the base has the length 5 centimeter. Base has the length, that is 5 centimeter. This is the square, and the base of the length is 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and then 5 centimeter. Firstly, we have to calculate the surface area of a pyramid. Surface area of pyramid. So you can see there are 4 triangles, 1 2 3 and 4 triangles. Okay, area of a triangle is basically 1 by 2. The base is 5, the base is 5, and the height is 4 centimeter. The surface area of a pyramid is equals to 4 area of a triangle. Why this is 4? Because we have 4 triangles, so we have 4 multiply area of triangle plus area of square, plus area of square. So we can write it as 4, area of a triangle is 1 divided by 2 base, or base multiply height, plus area of a square is length multiply width, that is 5 cross 5, or 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, that is 2, and base is 5 and height is 4 plus 5 5s are 25. So 2 5 4s are 20 plus 25, that is 2 20s are 40 plus 25, and the answer is 65 centimeter ka square. Part B, write down the number of edges of the square based pyramid. Square based pyramid, we have to write the number of edges. So we have number of edges 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 8 edges. So the answer is 8 edges. Next, question number 10. Question number 10, part A. The line A has equation y is equals to 3x plus 1. The line B has equation y is equals to 3x minus 1. Draw a ring around the description that is correct. Okay. Line A intersect line B. No, line is not intersect line B, because they must have intersection point, and it doesn't have any intersection point. So line A does not intersect line B. Next is line A has a steeper gradient than line B. This is also not correct. Line A is perpendicular to line B. No, this is not correct, because if they are perpendicular, then their slope should be negative reciprocal. Okay. Line A is parallel to line B. This is correct. Line A is parallel to line B. Line A and line B intersects y-axis at the same point. If they intersect at the same point, it would be same sign, +1 and +1. Okay. Part B. On a grid, draw a graph of y is equals to 2x minus 1. Okay. We have to draw the graph of y is equals to 2x minus 1. The y-intercept is negative, that is minus 1. So we have to recognize the y-intercept, that is minus 1. We have to point it as, and the slope we have is 2, that is 2x minus 1. So the slope is 2. The y-intercept is negative, so here is the y-intercept, and the slope is 2. So we can rise. We have to rise 2 unit up. 1. This is 1, and this is 2. 2 unit up, and also 1 unit at the right side. So this is the y-intercept. So 2 is the slope. Slope has the formula, that is slope is equals to rise or divided by run. So you can rise up and down depending on the sign. Positive or negative sign mean rise, or run mean left or right. So we have rise 2 divided by 1 means 2 points we have to rise up, and run means one side left or right, because it has positive sign. So we have to take it in a right side. Okay. So slope is 2 divided by 1. First we have we have y-intercept, that is minus 1. Then we have to rise 2 digit up and 1 unit to the right. Connect these points. So connect these points. And this point with this. Okay. We have to connect this point. So we will get y is equals to 2x minus 1. This is all for today. We have to solve further paper in part 2. Thanks for watching.